people, we don't carry waka come again from TMC TV. What you carry us come out? Now the issue of this verdict where the tribunal court decide 2 days ago on top this presidential election matter between President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi. We can't find out from people for street if the verdict suits them for belly or they get different opinions. How they feel about the matter. So make you now join us as we hear from the people how they feel about this verdict.
And what I also be say, it good make they talk true. Those courts now they will depend on before. Say anything they happen to a poor man or anybody when they oppress is supposed to go there, and those people now go rescue them. So it can't be say now the case can't be revised. So be say who that they oppress read there and they go oppress and the more. So now make cannot sweet me. So let's believe on God. Anything where God talk for this country now go happen.
For what I see, so people like say the country. They don't scatter them for we hand. Before we believe on the judiciary, so that they go make the things where poor masses no fit do, and they go help us make them right. But now they don't fail us. So my own opinion, what I would say, is that we should further the case because we the Nigerians, I can't say I'm speaking on behalf of Nigerians. I'm speaking on behalf of most of the Nigerians that we are not okay with it. With the judgment, so you should go to Supreme Court.
No need to the waste time to go appeal court. All of us are in Nigeria. You know, so all of us are in Nigeria. And Nigeria the bonus, and Nigeria will see there. By God grace, Nigeria will go better for all of us. And then whether Tinubu, Atiku, or Bill, but now for Nigeria for good, now all of us there. See, Tinubu already entered there. He done the work. We just give her the opportunity and the chance, and then to just support her. Then he needs support of Obi and the Atiku. If at all say Obi the verse say maybe the rubber for Imandes and others, then since he don't already did there, then the idea we want to develop this country. At least may see give us you say idea. Whether they come out Tinubu or they put Atiku or come out Atiku put Obi, provided Nigeria good for all of us. I think that they travel and they see what they do for other countries now. You understand so now? No need when we say that they call the cause problem or wahala for within us with the masses. Now so I just say there's only us proceeding forward. Make just leave us and be like that.
You know get one fee. The only thing we say we don't only get patients. We only get the patient. When the Gabon go come out before our own right people go come. Appeal court. What they do for inside? What do they do for inside that one? They just do it by themselves. Abi? They do it. The Gabon don't share money, give everybody. Share money, give them. They don't shop money. Talk with their mind. So what do we want to do? What do we do? We go to fight. We don't feel fight now. We don't feel fight them. The only God that will intervene for the matter.
Our vote no count. Our NEC, they no good, sure. They're supposed to remove them. Because things we NEC do to this our election is very bad to us. We don't expect that from them. We are very sad. Even about the court case, they don't judge anything there. All the whole petition, right petition we they give, they slash everything and say say no they right. Why? That's why they judge. But they don't depend on money. Because we make Nigeria they good to us. Not be say we go there Nigeria we suffer. We suffer too much. We are suffering for nothing's sake, and we have everything. Some persons go gather themselves with their family. They chop our words. People who are supposed to stand for us, cover us, they no go fit. They go the journey, they give them money. We don't like it. It's very painful to us.
I don't like the judgment. Even the Nigerian Constitution says who win 25% of 25% in Abuja win the election. But now the Labour Party win 25%. Then they no give the man who win the election. So I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Even here in Edo State, all the polling units here in Edo State. Labour win all the polling units everywhere. Labour win everywhere. Now they turn everything upside down, speaking grammar for us. So I don't like it. We in Nigeria, we're not happy. We're not happy.
Me na one person will go do well. As Tinubu did there, yes, person will go do well. As Tinubu did there, I want make it do well. All this subsidy, may they reduce some. People are suffering. Look at me now. I need job, but it's no job. All this food stuff come because of all this subsidy. Fuel increase. How can you imagine 700 naira fuel, 800? Can you imagine how you go take buy food? Before, through of good luck, this man, what we call this Yaradua, 65 naira. Food, middle of is 200 naira. You see that? You can chop well, but now you can buy rice 5,000, mudu 5,000, rubber 5,000. All this one, I don't like it. They should person there may do well. Like my own.
We hand over everything to God. Let God take control of our country, Nigeria. And the God we serve is a marvelous God. That God who never disappoints his own children. You say one with God is majority. So we rely on God and we hand over everything, every matter, whether good or bad, we hand over to God. And I know that my God, our Redeemer liveth, will never disappoint his own children. So only God we believe on.
I think they're very, very annoying the way we say everything, because it can't be like say before they ever come sit as like yesterday, and they don't already know what wants up. If you notice, the APC, the Labour Party, kind of never come. So he did this thing and say we would enter this thing. So even our own president was saying in Bola Tinubu, he was never around. So everything was ready. In short, everything already go as planned as for them. And you see, I don't start something in the morning, they end in the evening. So everybody come to the sleep self. They say the eyes on the judiciary. All the judiciary begin sleep. We see and say the thing they rob when they rob other. I know how to say they rob one political party when they rob the thing 2 day glaring. So maybe they can't go Supreme Court. Most see waiting Supreme Court once still come out for the matter.
The judgment, me, I don't like them, honestly. In fact, what everybody vote for or who will vote for, not being they give. But for me, what I will advise, even if they go to the Supreme Court or go appeal, whatever, now the same judgment. So I'll just say, okay, maybe forget about the judgment. Let's wait for another 4 years. Then we'll see what will happen. But for me, that judgment, I'm not happy with. I don't like them.
The law dey there for everybody to read. How you go say 25% Abuja vote is the same as others when the law don't clear them? You know. So the thing just tire me. I'm not be happy at all. I for some the your rest because the court is compromised. From my opinion, the judges are compromised. No point to be like wasted effort.
We don't go, we don't come back. You know, don't hear what people get to talk on top this verdict matter. Some people say the verdict not sweet them for belle. Some people say may they leave President Tinubu, may he finish the work where he don't start. Some people say they not go agree, may they go Supreme Court, go appeal. But I don't hear different opinions on what people get to talk on this verdict matter. Even you, where they watch me, you get your own opinion. May you write down for our comment section. And also, may you not forget to follow us on our various social media platforms. For YouTube at TMC TV, on Facebook at TMC TV, on Instagram at tmc._tv. We also get websites where be www.tlifemedia.com. Make na not forget say as we see am na so we dey talk am o, we no dey take blame at all. My name still remain Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV, Benin City.